If this is your vibe, keep watching. We're exploring a new camping site in the beautiful Blue Mountains of Jamaica, away from the hustle and bustle and detox from the news and social media, and connect with nature. Swim in the mountain river and enjoy fresh food cooked over wood fire. Sometimes that's all you need. And I soon tell you the best part. Keep watching.
Hi people, we're right here. All right, we're getting ready to go on a new camping spot. Yes, me, Lilli over there. But video too. Hi. Tomorrow Labor Day. All right. We're saying like if tomorrow is Labor Day, what the program is. Anyway, so we are at Papine, as you can see, nice place. Yeah, we're not making it to Coronation Market, but Papine is a nice alternative to get what you need, as in vegetables and fruits, but you almost have everything. Just I couldn't get no corn and no lettuce, so we'll see if we can get that before we're heading to the mountains. Yeah, to the mountains, people. It was raining all day yesterday, so hopefully we get a better weather today, because camping in the rain ain't no fun. So we have a lot of fruits. Yeah, so we need lettuce, guys. Huh? If you see corn, yeah, come in. You come in, we'll come back. Mr. Come back. See enough corn over there? Lilli, see her lettuce. Hi, my friend. It's been a long time. You have corn? Alright guys, we try to see corn. Corn. Hi. Let's see if we can find some corn. You have corn, miss? Corn? Oh. No corn? Yeah, whatever you need. Everything is here, but not the corn. We found some corn. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take 2 of these. Yeah. Ooh. Pear, lovely pear. That would be nice on my. You in response for this side? But that was good. Lilli got what she needed. The lettuce, red onion. I got my corn and the lime, because I'm cooking my salmon, and you know lime is good with salmon. Most expensive lettuce I've ever bought. Iceberg, you know. No, iceberg. No, watch the price. Iceberg. Just close your eye and go through it, people. For the vlog. The vlog is. So guys, we're going back to the vehicle now, back on our journey. People, probably this is the calmest you ever see Papine Market. That's a fact.
Hello, Jessica.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, I was calling out.
I know, so now I'm here.
Yeah, basically.
I'm vlogging.
I'm subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. What will you say? Say hi to the vlog. So you call me now, yeah.
We're going to the river?
Yes, always find a river.
Do some channel.
Yeah. Do. You're good?
Yeah.
Are you managed this?
No. We just watch every evening.
Really?
Every evening.
Ah, big up
All
yourself.
my native members
Bye,
of
bye,
Jessica.
bye, bye.
Every evening.
Here, people, every evening.
Yeah.
That's a subscriber. Here, you guys also need to watch my thing every evening. I leave a comment.
What you going to prepare today?
Eh?
What you going to prepare today?
Salmon.
Okay.
Yeah, raw.
Right.
Yeah, I know something different today. Yeah.
Alright, let's
bossy
see. We're in
today, we're
Papine,
making-
okay?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Every evening I watch the channel 4:30. When I go home 4:30. It's cheap.
I love it. Well, on the next channel, you're going to see yourself. Alright, take care. Alright, cool. See? Every evening.
So every
People,
evening
make sure
watch
you
it.
watch my thing every evening as well. Because I want some dedicated subscribers. Love.
You want to fill out car and you never come here.
You know, you never tell me. You never tell me. Next time. So I passed by, I couldn't see corn, now everybody have corn. Anyway, I have what I need, so we're out. See guys, looking at the mountains? Yes, this is the gate. The gate to the Blue Mountains. Papine Market, people. That's basically the last stop where you can get all your stuff you need. She says she'd never see the mountains.
Beer rum in my brain, you fuck.
Here guys. Rum in my brain, rum in my brain. Not my brain, not my vein. No. Only juice in my brain. Only juice. Ay. Guys, I'm excited. I hope the weather stays with us. No, it's a new place, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna see what it's all about. We're heading into the mountains and then see what is what. Nice little camping vibe. Because I love camping. We're gonna leave the hustle and bustle behind us. We go into the nice, calm, beautiful nature to relax, recover. Yeah. We always need that, you know? Huh? Video you? Where you say what going?
You married as it?
Yeah, man, married, yes. You're not married yet.
Where ring?
The ring?
Yeah, where's the ring?
You leave it home. We don't go and look at scamming, man. We see it, man. You take it off. My one.
Yeah. On the wrong finger, though. On the small finger. Where's your ring?
No married yet.
You're not married yet? Guys, look at this young and handsome
Manuel.
gentleman. He's not married yet, so if you want to marry him, let me know. Alright, big up yourself. People here. Nice husband there. Can you find him? Yeah. Champagne. See, if you follow everybody, we're gonna stay in Papine. Melon and pine. Greetings.
Eh?
Whole safety pin 50.
Look at what I have there.
Yeah,
Wanna
that is.
take the picture?
That is. Yeah, I'm taking picture. I'm actually taking video of your beautiful. How much for the melon?
The melon. With the big piece or the small?
No,
5
small.
bills for that. It's hard to beat. You don't have to eat no meat.
They say it's hard to beat.
Hard to beat.
You don't need no meat.
You don't need no meat. I like the lyrics. People, find $500, please. Send $500. Yes, that's how it goes. You want to eat your fruits, you have to spend. Anyway, so if I buy one, I get one mango.
That's the way you want it.
Mango
Yeah.
is my thing.
The mango is for sale too, you know.
Yeah, I know, but if I buy this, I get a small mango with it.
Yeah, I give you a mango.
Alright, see guys, you have to come here and buy your fruits. What's your name?
Clive.
Clive.
Always keep you alive, make you strong.
You hear that?
Drive always keep your
Clive,
mind.
you're full of lyrics.
Love that guy. That's East Indian, this one.
Yeah, it's West India.
The one when you're west.
Yeah.
Come up from the corner.
Oh, man.
Together, I give him a tree. So me, I agree.
Yeah, he with Clive.
No, Clive is a poet.
Another one, Clive.
Clive, you're a poet.
You know one, I want this.
No, one solid one.
It's the whole of them solid.
If the one them solid like
Yeah.
Rhyme not just Clive.
Solid like Mali.
Where's the tree base Clive? Alright.
Yeah, tree. Where me, I agree. I don't know when you can look for me.
May I come back and look for your Clive?
No, I
Right
don't
there,
want you
sir.
come on me back. I want you come forward.
Right there, sir, Clive. Right there, sir. Right there, sir, Clive.
Oh, man. Oh,
Yeah.
this is funny.
No,
This smells so
after
good.
me, I'm no Bugs Bunny.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm no funny. I'm not a Bugs Bunny. Yeah.
Clive,
Yeah.
I have a record you.
Clive,
Yeah.
take care, Clive.
They record me.
Yeah. No, I record you, but me mean like say a poem.
I don't want you mean. I want you kind. I
Yeah.
want you in the line. I make we all feel fine. Yeah. Then I always get the girl to whine.
You know, miss that, Clive. Go on in, Clive. Miss that.
Yo, Clive, pick up yourself.
That's my lady over there.
Lady don't want
I
to be
want
the
to talk to
camera.
her distant, but she don't want to say anything. You understand? Take care now.
Agree if you
Bye.
disagree.
He said,
Agree to
that's how I
disagree.
don't know get rich and rich.
Love you, love
Yeah.
you, love you.
Oh, the best! Aye!
Hey guys, I love to go camping on beautiful and safe spots. So today we're going to explore a new camping location and I'm so excited. But no, the best part is that you can actually book this camping trip as well. So two things, either you already have a group and I'll take your group there, or if you are alone, you just send me an email and I'll update you on upcoming camping trips. If you are a landlord and you have an ideal space for camping, then send me also an email and I'll be happy to come there and camp. Because I really want camping to become a bigger thing in Jamaica. For now, we only have a few spots which are ideal for camping, but I know there are more. Today, we're going to explore a new camping location which is located on a private property. I cannot wait to show you guys this amazing location. Are you ready? All right, let's roll the clips.
Look here. Oh, well. We can just end the vlog here.
That's crazy. What a piece of mix up with a friend who sells me now.
I know. People, we're going up in altitude. You know, we need to drink. We need to drink something. So, a jelly. A jelly. I'm so thirsty. Oh my god, look at this. Nice. Yeah. Alright, see? Jelly man will be here. Don't make the size fool, you know. Sometimes them big and little bit in there. And sometimes them big. That's
Yeah, it's
Just
good
sweet.
to go. Yeah, but it not have no meat.
mountains, jelly. Oh, that is it. I went to the gym this morning, so I have to hydrate. I just remember I said, did I drink enough? No, I did not. I did not. Alright guys, we're on the way. Yeah. This weather, please. Don't. Whoa, have you ever been above a rainbow like this? Ooh, this is so cool. I just realized time is flying and I have to set up a tent. And it's already 4 o'clock and we work with the daylight and we have to cook. Should have left out from morning.
We were made for each other to hold on to. I was caught out of red beneath your
next week. As a matter of fact, I don't come back at all. Okay, if I don't get booked in a business, I'm coming here every weekend.
We were made for each other. Hold on to. I was taught down the faith. Beneath your roof, I was
Oh my god, I'm not coming back down. I'm already. Come on, book. So I have another reason to come back here. Start book from now. Start book. Yeah, man, you can book this trip.
Something's changed, you can see the face in the crowd. Something's changed, you can see my face in the crowd.
At the garden. Ah, no, sir. Nice. Yo, this is so nice.
And they want me to leave my clean Jamaica.
Ah.
Not
Birds. Oh no, them tough. Oh no.
This for me come up way up in the hills of Jamaica come flying.
Peach.
No peach. No peach.
Everything is. Oh my god, guys. This is just too cool. Orange, lime. So me just spend my good money on lime and me have lime tree up here. This is it, guys. Gonna camp here? Yeah. Have this view of the mountains. Oh my goodness. No, I mean, I'm speechless. This is too nice. Oh wow. Look at this beautiful place under the, oh man. Alright guys. I'm gonna find a nice spot. Decide where we're gonna set up camp. And then learn about the property. But I wanna get this tent set up so that we have that out of the way before the light is moving.
Yeah, man. You're not shot on nothing here.
Because there was so much rain, I was like maybe. At this beautiful view. That's Catherine's Peak. Looking right here. That is so cool. Alright peeps. So we have a corn, fresh corn. Look, even the what is this? Leaves are still on it. Take this off. Can you get fresher than this? We got it at the market. Yeah. Oh my god. Nice.
I should have bought two, they're so pretty.
The fire. Yeah. Alright, so let's cook before the sun goes down. Cook before the sun goes down. There are hummingbirds flying around my head. It's just too cool. as a snack. Because we are waiting. We have some apple. 2 apple. This is what they call the American apple. Jamaican apple. Banana. Nice. See what we have here. Ooh. This is just heavenly. Oh guys, tell them what you have here.
Breadfruit burger. So it's curry chickpea with stir fry lettuce and cabbage, with roast breadfruit and fried plantain and lettuce. The most expensive iceberg lettuce. The most expensive.
Savor it. Guys, look at the lettuce and make sure it's worth it. Yeah, no, that was delicious. But I must say, I paid a lot for this lime as well. The lady said lime, dear. I said, okay. But you guys know, salmon and lime is just the double, you know, the duo, the marriage.
It's like how I had to have the
Morning. Good morning.
Have a good day today, Najee.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at these people. That's Catherine's Peak from the other end. Oh, man.
No. Yeah, then right.
Happy. Yes. Slept like babies, right?
Let me see.
It's a little chilly, but that added to a good sleep. Phew. See that view. Oh, God.
This is the
You drink coffee?
No, I'm making my own tea. No, I don't want coffee.
Jesus.
Feel it.
Hot?
No. So keep it, yeah. Cold. Ice.
Wow.
Yeah. That's what it does. So you don't have to worry about it. You know? Yes, these are the ones I'm talking about. These are the sexy ones. These are, yeah.
From the farm, fresh.
From the farm. It's beautiful. So kitty. What would taste one?
Yeah.
I've never eaten it like that, so let me try it.
Nice, nice. What is this?
Tomato.
Tomato, name bell tomato, you know.
So it will get red?
That's the color it have.
It's the yellow.
Ready heat now.
It's ready.
Yeah, you can't eat it just like that. It's ready now. That's the color.
Yellow tomato.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guys, when you see me, 11-year-old me look like. 11 right. Sure. Them kind of eating here? 11.
That's why you live so good. You have the good air up here, the good food. That's real rich. Take a picture.
So I did get a near one though, which is this, but I wasn't feeling it because I wasn't getting all at once.
All of them.
Yeah.
Yo, no, look, guys,
Yeah.
we got some nice content here. This freshness here, and the beautiful sky. It's so nice. I'm so happy up here, guys. I'm telling you. All right, you see, to de-stress and detox from the world and the news, this is the place to go.
It is.
Out in nature,
It is.
deconnected from the news and the media, everything.
See, in my tent, I have my book. I wake up to this and I'm keep being mesmerized. The birds this morning.
Sexy piece of sound. You need no man in your ears, guys. No man. Birds, right through.
Nobody in your ears.
Just birds. Come on, you get up on your ear that. No.
Oh, man.
Look there.
There you go with your sunset. Eh, rise.
To the floor. You know, so the floor could have dead here. You want to carry me. Alright, just for up here for them again.
Blue Mountain.
Up in the hills of
trust
Blue
me.
Mountain.
I don't even
That's
know where
I
we
want
are.
to go.
All I know, up here, nice. We somewhere. Well, I can tell you, over there is the Catherine's Peak. Guys, we're just surrounded by pure beauty, natural beauty. All right, paradise.
Put it out, you know.
People, look at this. No, oh man, peach, mountain peach, lychee, lychee.
Lychee, guys.
No, we have lychee in Jamaica. I always thought they imported. Do both. One cup must. No, we are tasting up here, you know. We do 1 cup is the peach tea, and 1 cup is the lemongrass.
Oh, alright. So you make the peach and I'll make the lemongrass.
Yeah.
Alright, then. Told by the farmer here. Where you going? I was told by the farmer that smell this. My mind has been on the lemongrass, right? No, this nicer. I gotta tell me say peach make the best taste. I don't know which one. But just say she gonna make peach and me make the lemongrass. Then we taste what I want. Alright? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna work with where my belly I called for from last night. And then just I gonna sort out the peach because we have to try this. We have to.
Yes, I never had peach tea.
I need some more sexiness in us, sir. And I just need food. I don't know. I need some more sexiness in us, sir. And I just need food. I don't know. We're confused.
Confused. So much niceness. Are there lemongrass or mint? For some, I must be sick or something. Maybe we'll do the rosemary. Joke.
Joke. Richness this is
Real rich.
Put up on a mount.
I have some lemongrass tea there. And I'll just have it cool down and then drink it when it cool.
So guys, we're making a little fritters here. No saltfish.
Some guys down there that have a lot of trees. I'm talking about man, if you don't get hot enough. If you cool enough, as we cool enough, that's where we come from.
Not sure why over there so cold, because it's not like that it's high up.
On the breeze.
Chips the next. I need to go home today now. I'm really just a forever hard.
This morning, about 4 o'clock, a little after 4, there was a concert. We got a concert. These birds started to sing. Oh man. When you see the video,
I didn't tell them I was taking your girls up here.
when you see the video, you are gonna have proof.
So I'm going to be shocked.
Guys, I'm going to be so fast.
Yes.
I got fried dumpling and baked bean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Big bean.
Dumpling them good. Dumpling them good, man.
Now that we're finally get the content and cook and do everything. Lilli's still cooking, but I'm gonna dig into this now. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on in the jungle kitchen. Yeah, no, mountain kitchen. Mountain kitchen. Yeah, lot of cooking, lot of meals, different. So you guys have to go and check out Lilli vlog because it's a different cooking happening over there. So yeah. Alright, this is it. Guys. Yeah. See me and the dumpling? Sometimes a little hit or miss. Sometimes them just perfect like today. Thanks God. Other people here to eat them. And sometimes, yeah, if I rush them, no. If I take my time, come on, good. Nice and fluffy. You want some?
Definitely. 3 generations back.
You see? The vibe we're going here is the outdoor. If ever rain should fall very hard, there is like a little cottage to use. But we're loving the camping vibe and the outdoor, everything natural. And you know, when you escape the city, sometimes I just want the outdoor, sleep in an open, in the tent, or see the air, sleep like a baby. Peeps, we go checking out. There's a river, so we can go for a swim. Yeah, everything is here. It's a perfect camping site. We have to find a river. Ooh, oh my God, that really looks like something to jump in. Like not just a little stream for your toes. Yeah, water look cold. This is so cool. No, this is the icing of the cake, man. Oh, nice, cool mountain water. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God, that's so cool. Alright,
See people, I just realized last time we're here that is actually the way going to Sincona, my favorite place. You remember? I did not know that this road actually will lead to Section. Pew! Just understanding the geographics. This is so cool. Really? I just understand the geographics. Section is up there. In my mind, this was somewhere else. Alright guys, we're back in paradise. Mountain Paradise. I'm gonna name this Mountain Paradise. Hey! I'm gonna name it Mountain Paradise! Yeah. And then, so Denver's gonna show us the farm. Because there is more. So, I don't know, this is like a botanical garden. I love it so much. I love it so much. I'm gonna name this trip Mountain Paradise Camping. Yeah, can book it. Yeah, yeah. Because this, oh man, I don't even want to go back. I would just want to stay here. Nice little hike, go to the river. And now guess what? When we come here next time, I'm gonna hike to Sincona. Nice nature vibe. And then of course there's a lot of birds. So bring your camera if you have a camera. Okay, so now I'm waiting on Denver because I never saw actually I never actually saw a lychee tree. So I'm gonna look at the tree. And we have roses. If he has honey, I want to buy some honey as well.
We were made for each other to hold on to. I was carved out of redwood beneath your moon. I was birthed in the mountains under the sun. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. We are living the dream together out here on the road, and our love takes center stage at every single show. But lately you've been distant, and I don't know what for.
I'm gonna bring it home. That's rosemary, and we have over there some mint.
He said Denver just go on with himself.
Oh wow!
And you're sexy.
And it's good mint plant, don't like your and because bigger than one.
Love, love, love. Yeah. Herb.
Okay, money?
Yeah, I'm good. Good. Guys, I have some fresh basil. Smells so good. Now I need some nice, good red tomato. I'm gonna make one tomato salad with the basil here. Look at lychee tree.
I love these.
All of that purple one right there. Dinosaur kale. Fresh parsley. I'm gonna ask Denver for some.
That's where you go to
Oh yeah, I see it.
Zucchini.
See guys, all over zucchini, cauliflower, parsley.
Going back there.
Mm-hmm.
A lot.
But guys, look how long I didn't have fennel. Yo, that is so cool.
Yeah, fennel.
Awesome, thank you. Guys, I have a salad recipe for this out of this world. And I have the recipe for so long, but I can't get the fennel for it. But no, yes. But this is so cool. Yo, my kitchen tonight gonna be ton up all the fresh ingredients.
cool. I wonder if we bring enough money.
Fine, you know.
Oh man, guys, it look like I have to do a bank wire. It's rich.
And about 30 odd messages coming in.
Oh yeah. Guys, I'm so excited with all the fresh herbs I have and fruits and veggies. Never big up yourself. When I come here, I'll cook and I'm only gonna use these ingredients. I'm not even gonna bring no seasoning. Natural, straight. So guys, I never knew what I'm gonna, get up here. So we have everything up here for a good, nice kitchen. Tomato, basil, you know how nice a salad will be. And arugula, oh God. And little lychee for dessert. And we have the real coffee. See guys, coffee. See? That is it. And we have a bread pudding! I saw so much cars that I was like, oh, I wonder if they're still left. Or did it sell off? No? Yes, and then we have this other coffee stop. Nice and cool. You know, these are all my favorite places. You see, on this tour, you get all the cool stops. All the cool stops. Actually, there's one stop which we never stop, but there is another coffee stop which is part of this tour. Yeah. Freshly brewed coffee from the farm is part of it. Yeah. Plus this, and then plus everything else. It's a vibe, it's an experience, my people. They have the best bread pudding here. Guys, I'm telling you, I will hike, come here for this. This bread pudding with chocolate on it. Heavenly. Sometimes you need sweetness in your life.
She mean, guys. Tell her to give me some of the food, yeah? You can't wait to eat one little piece more.
Buy one.
No one no more. It's sweet, man.
Yeah, sometimes you need some sweetness. Look how healthy we eat all day.
Oh, fuck it up, sorry. Mess it up, that's the word. Mess it up with some bread pudding.
You eat good all day so you can have a dessert.